Hey friends, welcome back to my channel once again. When the ink on finalized divorce documents is dry, the only thing Tia Mowry and Cory Hardrict will likely share is a friendship and their two children. The game star and all-American homecoming actor have been together for 22 years and married for 14, but on October 5, Mowry announced that the relationship had run its course. In a social media post, she revealed that she and Hardrict have decided to go our separate ways. Soon after headlines detailing that Mowry filed divorce documents in a Los Angeles court made their way online, more details about requested that any rights to spousal support be terminated for both she and Hardrict. She also requested that they share joint physical and legal custody of their 11-year-old son, Cory, and 4-year-old daughter, Cairo. Radar Online obtained the documents where it has stated that pursuant to the parties' premarital agreement, all assets and obligations of each party are his separate property. Meaning, she wants to ensure her TV residuals are not allocated to her son to be ex-husband as well. While Mowry cited irreconcilable differences as the cause of the divorce, fans have already speculated that infidelity played a role in the marriage's demise. The brotherly love actor has vehemently denied that he stepped out on his wife. The actress' twin sister Tamara Mowry Housley addresses shocking news while promoting her new book. You should sit down for this. I'm more about life, wine, and cookies. I support her, so whatever she wants, the Mowrys have her back. Mowry Housley said during an appearance on Today with Hoda and Jenna, she continued, I love her dearly. She's strong, but I know, right? Now she just wants to, just process it all, take it all in, and be a little private about it. So if you are liking our videos, do subscribe and comment.